decides to sell the one additional unit of the commodity, that is the 6, the total sale will be of 6 units. The total revenue exceeds from 20 to 60. So the change of ₹10 in the total revenue is because of the sale of the one additional unit of the commodity. This is known as the minor revenue. इसे आप ये कह सकते हैं कि उस एडिशनल यूनिट के बेचने की इनकम हो सकती है, से प्राप्त इनकम हो सकती है, रेवेन्यू हो सकती है। जैसे अगर 5 इकाइयां आपने किसी वस्तु की बेची और टोटल 50 रुपीज आपने अर्न किया, अगर 6 यूनिट के बेचने से टोटल रेवेन्यू इंक्रीज कर रही है फ्रॉम 50 टू 60, तो ये जो 10 रुपीज की इंक्रीज है, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द सेल ऑफ द 6th यूनिट। तो एक तरह से जो 6th यूनिट है उसकी उससे प्राप्त उस एडिशनल यूनिट से जनरेटेड इनकम 10 के बराबर है। द सेम कंसेप्ट अप्लाइज टू द मार्जिनल कॉस्ट। मार्जिनल कॉस्ट marginal cost is also an addition to the total cost with the production of the one additional unit of the commodity. वस्तु की एक अतिरिक्त इकाई के उत्पादन करने से कुल लागत में जो परिवर्तन होता है, that is known as the marginal cost. Marginal cost. So, suppose if the total cost at the level of the production of 5 units of the commodity, the total cost is 50, and if the firm produces the one additional unit of the same commodity, their total cost increases from 50 to 60. So the marginal cost will be total cost at the level of the 6th unit of production minus total cost of the 5th unit of the 5 unit of the commodity. That stands at 10 because if you 60 minus 50, that is equal to 10. The marginal cost is also the cost of the production of the additional unit of the commodity. 5 इकाइयों के उत्पादन करने पर लागत 50 के बराबर आ रही है, 6 इकाइयों के उत्पादन करने पर 60 के बराबर आ रही है। तो ये जो 10 रुपीज की इंक्रीज है टोटल कास्ट में, that is because of the production of that 6th unit of the commodity, that is additional unit which you are adding in the total production, which results in the increase in the total cost. So marginal, in this case, marginal revenue speaks about the revenue to be generated with the sale of that particular unit of the commodity. Means with the sale of the 6th unit, the firm attains the marginal revenue. The revenue of is 10, and the cost which firm incurs are the cost, the production of the 6th unit of the product involves the cost of ₹10. Is ₹10. So marginal cost is also 10. If you compare marginal revenue and marginal cost, if you compare both, what will happen? If the marginal revenue is be generated with the additional unit of the commodity is much more to the cost involved in the production of that particular unit of the additional unit of the commodity. समझ में आ रही है? अगर माइनर रेवेन्यू माइनर कास्ट से ज्यादा है, इसका मतलब है कि जो एडिशनल यूनिट आप बना रहे हो उसको बनाने की जो लागत है उससे प्राप्त होने वाली जो इनकम है वो ज्यादा है कि नहीं? दैट इज ए प्रॉफिटेबल सिचुएशन. प्रॉफिटेबल सिचुएशन होगी कि नहीं होगी? इट इज ए प्रॉफिटेबल सिचुएशन. तो इट इज सिचुएशन ऑफ मार्जिनल. as the production increases, there will be change in marginal revenue and marginal cost. If the marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, this will be the situation of no profit. Means the revenue generated with the revenue generated by the sale of additional unit is just equal the cost involved in the production of that particular unit of the commodity. The firm attains no profit. Clear? As there is a gap between the MR and MC, the point to be up to the point where MR exceeds the MC. That is a profitable situation. The point of production where, or the level of output where the MR equals the MC, that is the situation of no profit. There will be no profit.